AI tools for image creation are getting more and more famous. And maybe you ask yourself already how they are working with performance native ads. Can you use tools like Midjourney for native advertising like Taboola Ads or Outbrain ads? In this video, we will talk exactly about that. Hi everyone, my name is Marcel Sattler. I'm the founder of PurpleBlack, a native advertising only agency. What we're doing on a daily basis is we run profitable performance marketing campaigns on native advertising traffic sources like Taboola, Outbrain, Gemini, and many more. And maybe you are already aware of it, like AI tools in general, ChatGPT, Midjourney, and you name them. And there are a lot in the past 365 days, like which are joining the market. Some of them are dedicated just for performance ads. Some of them are used already with Facebook. Meta is also working on their kind of AI tools. So there's a lot of things going on in that space. And one of the very famous tools out there for image creation is Midjourney. And Midjourney is getting more and more famous. It's a bit like more techy to set it up because you need a Discord server, but honestly it's very easy. If you're using like a YouTube video, in 10 minutes a Midjourney server set it up and it's super easy. But the more crucial question is how these kind of images are working for native ads, how they're performing. Is it the best way to go or not? So before we dig into this topic, let me first show you on my screen how these kind of images look like. So here I used a prompt which I just copied from a website, and you see the prompts or the results are looking very solid. I mean, it looks like a nice stock picture. You can use a lot of things. You can use this for a product image. You can just change the tag here on the whiskey and make it like a private label for yourself, or however you can use a bunch of things. But these kind of images are looking a bit too perfect, you know? And also if you take a look here, they are looking very aesthetic. They're looking good, honestly, but usually it's not what you need for a performance campaign for Taboola ads or Outbrain ads. You see, you can do a lot of creative stuff here. I mean, the possibilities here are almost unlimited. I mean, it looks awesome. Honestly, it looks awesome. But the problem is these kind of images are usually not performing very well. Especially in comparison with like a normal image approach, like you just add and stitch together some Photoshop or some Google pictures, some stock pictures, etc. But again, you have a bunch of possibilities. And again, I want to highlight also that there is not just Midjourney, that there are a bunch of other tools. Some tools are dedicated just for ads, especially for meta ads, for example. There are tools already out there, but yeah, you see, you can use a lot of things. I mean, if you have a good eye, you can see that this is done by an AI. However, I'm pretty sure the majority of people will never know, especially when the image is small, that this is an AI image. I mean, here it's very hard to see already, even for me. Here it's visible, but I think you get the idea. Especially with people, you still see, because these kind of pictures are too perfect, the texture is not like natural. However, it will get better and better, like more natural. And I'm pretty sure sooner or later we can use Midjourney or an AI tool in general for image creation on or for Taboola ads and Outbrain ads too. But yeah, due to the fact that it's just a bit too perfect, we're just too far away yet. Okay, now you know how these kind of Midjourney images look like, and you see they're very realistic. I mean, I'm not, as mentioned already, I'm not a prompt expert, so there are guys who can make way better prompts, and you know, these kind of prompts, they are very like on point. I'm unable to do that, but I think you get the idea. You can make already very good high quality pictures. But are these Midjourney pictures alone, as a standalone version, already very good converting? The answer is no. The answer is no. We tested them already. We test them as an A/B test with our best practice, like which we developed for the past decade, and we used Midjourney images. And long story short, the Midjourney images has a very poor performance in comparison with our best practice ads. And the idea here is the following thing. Usually we are using a different way to create images, and I will show you them a bit later how the best practice images look like. However, the Midjourney images itself, you can use them as a background, you can use them as one component of your image, but in our experience now, December 2023, these kind of images, these kind of Midjourney images are not as a standalone image usable if you want to have a very good performance in your native advertising ads, like for example Taboola Ads or Outbrain ads. So you can use them additionally for the background or to create one image or so, which you cannot find as a stock image, for example. But as a standalone version, it's not the best idea yet. And I say yet because I think honestly, Midjourney will change. So if I record the same video next year in December 2024, I'm pretty sure we are 5 steps ahead, and maybe then it's possible, you know. Maybe it's already now possible, I just don't know the right prompts. So if you know them, just let me know. But as a no for now at least, it's not possible to use them for Taboola ads or Outbrain ads to generate the same or even better results than with a classical way. So now we spoke about what's not working. Let's jump on the screen again to see what's working. So let's check out a few like normal kind of ads, and it's very interesting because here we are at USA Today. So here we see the Taboola feed, and here you already see a combination between like normal pictures, like different backgrounds, same girl with an Amazon package, and a picture which is generated by AI. But these kind of pictures are working better, or this kind of picture is very, very good because it makes people curious, it plays with curiosity. These kind of pictures are not so good, it's a bit boring, you just see a product here, so nothing crazy. Also, if you look here, I'm pretty sure this is something like that one here, like a listicle. Okay, it needs a bit until it will load. However, this is kind of a listicle. It will work very, very good. I'm pretty sure here. These kind of images are okay. But you see there are like different kind of images. This is something which works pretty awesome, or something like that here. You see these kind of images, they're not generated by AI. They're usually just ugly or playing with some curiosity, like this one here. You see the belly, how it's shrinking. It's a weight loss ad. It looks, I mean, it looks far away from awesome, but I think you get the point. Something like this is catching the attention of people way more than an AI generated picture. So this is something what will work way, way better than any AI picture yet. And you see sometimes they are very simple pictures. They're just a few pills, or here it's just a few crazy stitched GIFs or videos here. So it doesn't have to be crazy complicated or so. We need for this kind of images, or this is also okay. For this kind of images, you just need honestly a couple of minutes, but they are awesome. They're way, way better. Or something like this one here. This is way better, and you will generate way higher CTRs, click-through rates than with an AI picture. So just scroll a bit online and see what you see the most of things. And just think by yourself what will work for you the best. Usually something like this with curiosity is working way better than an AI generated picture where you see it's an AI generated picture, you know. So why should I click on it? It's usually just crap when you click on it. So now you have a good comparison what's working and what's not working. In this video, we've used Midjourney because it's one of the most famous AI tools out there. However, I know there are a bunch of AI tools which you can use. Some of them are in general AI tools. There are some dedicated ones just for ads. So it's completely up to you which one you want to use. We also tested multiple of them, but we sticked a bit with Midjourney, and we tested the most with Midjourney because we know that's the tool which is like kind of the most famous, and we found the most prompts out there, honestly. And now I have something very special for you, kind of a Christmas gift. So we digged into the topic now deeper of the image creation for native advertising. And I know native advertising image creation or ad creation which converts can be tricky. So what we created here is a community. We created a community for people like you, for like-minded people to learn native advertising. But not just to learn, you will not just get some templates, best practice videos, manuals, and way, way more. You also have a community where you can ask people questions, where you can ask other people, you can ask our team, you can ask me, you can ask questions and just dig deeper into the native advertising game. The goal of our community is that you can learn native advertising from that point where you are, to get a better performance on Taboola Ads, Outbrain Ads, or whichever platform you want to perform the best here. So if you want to learn more about our community, it's not available yet, but you can use our waitlist. You can join the waitlist within a few seconds. It's easy. Just go at purple-black.com/waitlist, and here you see exactly what to do and how to do it and how to access it. I hope you liked that video. If so, I would extremely appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, and of course, when you subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to receive an update when I upload a new video about nothing but native here on YouTube. Have a good one. See you next time.